Yes! Oh my god. Here you go, Charlie. You can have the camera. Oh god, it's upside down. I guess that makes sense because the box is upside down. Oh my god. Right. So immediately, GJS robot. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll put actual proper pictures up, overlaying it. Oh my god, I'm excited. Right, so in my package I got like the most basic of basic, just because I didn't want to buy like special stuff because I'm gonna be customizing most of my stuff. So in my package I got a screwdriver, we got a sword, I think this might be the battery, screws, these are the shoulder pads, and the 2 ears for the robot. They don't actually work as ears, just they go on the side of the head. And limited edition, I'm pretty sure limited edition, laser gun. Okay, so that's everything from that first compartment. Now second compartment comes with charger, so that's good, I can charge it. And the main event, foam. I meant to pull the robot out of the foam. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is meaty. That is amazing. Wow, underneath it's just amazing. So many like connections and just oh, that is so cool. I can't wait to like customize it. Okay, I'm gonna put the battery in. We'll see what it looks like with the gun in the other hand. That switch is under here. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh my god! So we're connecting to Ganker. We are now connected. Oh my god! Let's go to... Oh, oh my god. We're gonna make a skill. So how to make a skill? We go play here, and now we can move the arms to make a position. Let's just turn him so we can see him properly. Okay, so what's that do? That twists the arm. This lifts this one. Let's this is the closest I can get it to do. Wait, go back. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed. This has been my Ganker video unboxing, playing with... Is there anything else left in the box? I just kind of jumped into playing with the robot. No, that's it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will see you next episode. We'll immediately start customization and training and stuff like that. So I'll see you later.